Afternoon, everyone. I hope you are safe at home with your family. Dear children, today I am going to teach you second lesson, healthy food. Let me ask a few questions on this lesson. Which is your favorite food? And what type of food do you think or do you like the most? Junk food or healthy food? And what are the junk foods? Why do we avoid junk food? And why do we eat healthy food? You must have often heard your mummy say, eat the vegetables and chapati, or no more chocolates and ice cream. Dear children, do you think why does she say this? Let us learn in this lesson why should we avoid junk food and why should we eat healthy food. Papa cried little Raghav. I want a chocolate, ice cream and some french fries. Dear children, a little boy. There is a little boy. His name is Raghav. What is his name? Raghav. He asked his father loudly. He asked his father, he cried, Papa, I want a chocolate, ice cream and some french fries. So he wanted to eat ice cream, french fries and chocolate, and he told his father, or he asked his father to buy those things for him. So french fries means a long thin pieces or long thin pieces of potato that are fried and eaten hot. So these are called french fries. So when you went outside with your father or with your family, you might have asked your father to get your favorite stuffs. So same as here, Raghav asked his father to buy chocolate, ice cream and some french fries for him because he wants to eat them or he is hungry now. I want a cheese pizza and a big bottle of cold drink, added Kush quickly. Let us go to a restaurant. So soon after Raghav, Kush asked his father to buy him a cheese pizza and a big bottle of cold drink and asked him father to go to a restaurant. Dear children, do you think why do they want to go to a restaurant? Because they are feeling hungry. They wanted to eat something. So Kush and Raghav wanted to go to a restaurant. Okay, here cheese pizza, it means a dish of Italian origin consisting of a flat round base of dough baked with a topping of tomatoes and cheese, typically with added meat or fish or vegetables. So restaurant means a place where you can buy and eat a meal. So we can see different restaurants, veg or non-veg, in the side of the roads. The Sharma family was shopping for Diwali. They were tired and hungry. So Mr. Sharma and Mrs. Sharma's family has 3 children. So this is the Sharma's family. So she is Mrs. Sharma and he is Mr. Sharma. So Mr. Sharma and Mrs. Sharma, totally the Sharma's family has 3 children. They are Raghav, Kush and youngest boy. He is the youngest boy. His name is Sarthak. They are shopping for Diwali. They roamed shop by shop to purchase the dress or grocery or decoration items for Diwali festival. Finally, they are tired and feeling hungry. So tired means feeling that we would like to sleep or rest. So when you work continuously, finally you feel tired. Then what do? You take some rest or sleep. Correct, no? And hungry means feeling that we want to eat something. So finally they are tired and feeling hungry. Mrs. Sharma looked at the children. She was not happy. She did not want the children to eat junk food all the time. Listen, children, ice cream and pizza are not bad if you eat them sometimes, but they are not good for you if you eat them often, she said seriously. See, Mrs. Sharma, she looked at the children seriously, and she was not happy with the children that she did not want to get their favorite food items for them. And their mother, Mrs. Sharma, said seriously, listen, children, ice cream and pizza are not bad. Not bad if you eat them sometimes, but they are not good for you if you eat them many times. So their mother said in a serious manner. Okay. Junk food. Junk food means food that is quick and easy to prepare and eat, but that is thought to be bad for our health because it has low nutritional value. Always we must or we should eat nutritional food. Okay, but the junk food does not contain or does not consist nutritional value, so we must try to avoid to eat junk food. Then why? Asked Raghav, surprised and a little annoyed. Junk food is oily and spicy. It does not keep you healthy. Besides, it does not contain any roughage, she added. What is roughage? Asked Sarthak. He was the youngest of the three children. He asked many questions. See, a little boy, Raghav, he was feeling to know more about junk food and feeling slightly angry because he wanted to eat junk food, but his mother did not want them to eat junk food. So Raghav asked his mother, why should we not eat this type of food? And his mother replied to him that why should not eat the junk food? That junk foods consist so much oily and spicy. Spicy means containing or covering with oil and tasting powder used in cooking for strong taste and smell. But it is not good for our health and it does not keep us healthy. If we eat these foods often or many times, we fall into sick and it does not contain any roughage. Roughage means the part of food that helps to keep a person healthy by keeping the bowels working and moving other food quickly through the body. So Sarthak, he wants to know more about it and asked his father, what is roughage? From which food do we get the roughage? So how does roughage help us? So like this, he asked many questions to his father, and he was the youngest of the three children. So surprised. Surprise means feeling or showing surprise. So for example, if your father brought a new cycle without knowing you and suddenly you look at the cycle, how do you react? See, You react like this boy, no? So, surprise. Synonym is amazement, wonder, or curiosity. So, antonym means opposite of surprised is unsurprised. And annoyed. Annoyed means felt slightly angry. Synonym miffed or bothered. So, opposite of what is that? Annoyed is pleased. Okay. Then roughage. Roughage is the hard part of the fruits and vegetables which your body cannot digest. It helps the intestines to push out waste and undigested food from the body, said Mrs. Sharma. So Mrs. Sharma answered to his son Sarthak that roughage is the hard part of fruits and vegetables which our body cannot digest. It helps the intestines to push out waste and undigested food from our body, or food from our body. So the roughage is very important in our daily food. So digest means when food that you eat it changes into substances that your body can use. So intestines, it means long tubes in the body. Intestines means long tubes in the body between stomach and anus. So we can push out waste from this tube. Have you understood? Okay. Next. Yes, Sarthak, said Mr. Sharma. Your mummy is right. Your body needs carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, fat, and roughage in the right quantity to keep you healthy. If you eat too much ice cream and French fries, your body will get excess of sugar and fat. So Mr. Sharma said, yes, Sarthak, what your mother explained about the junk food, no, that is absolutely correct. And your body needs carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, fat, and roughage in the right quantity to keep us healthy. Otherwise, if we eat too much which does not contain carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, fat, or any roughage, our body will get excess of sugar and fat. So excess means more than necessary. Okay, let us see in which food do we get carbohydrates, vitamins, and proteins. So carbohydrates, it means a substance such as sugar or starch that consists of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So carbohydrates give us energy and heat. So from in which food do we get carbohydrates? Grains. By eating grains, bread, rice, cereal, potatoes, sugar sweets, starchy vegetables, milk, yogurt, and fruits. So by eating these foods we get carbohydrates. So carbohydrates give us energy and heat. Then vitamins. So how do vitamins help us to our body? So vitamins means a natural substance found in food that is an essential part of what humans and animals eat to help them grow and stay healthy. Vitamins protect our body from disease. The body, it should become body, but it became here boy. Okay, body it is. So vitamins protect our body from diseases. So from in which food do we get the vitamins? So papaya, say by eating papaya, sweet potato, citrus fruits, okay, like a lemon, orange, mango. So these are the citrus fruits. Okay, spinach, carrots, broccoli, fish, milk, egg, cheese. By eating these foods, we get vitamins. So vitamins protect our body from diseases. Okay, the next one, proteins. So these are also very important. So proteins from the structure of muscles, organs. See, proteins help us build the structure of our muscles and organs. So proteins build our body. So in which food can we get the proteins? So by eating or meat or flesh and fish, cheese, bread, hummus, nuts and seeds, beans, eggs, cheese, meat and fish. By eating these foods, we get proteins. So proteins build our body. Have you understood, my dear children? I hope you have understood. Okay. Next, let's go to next slide. Raghav was little worried. What should we eat then, Papa? You need a balanced diet, a diet with portions of different foods to keep you healthy, said Mr. Sharma. See, a little boy, Raghav, he was worried. Worried means thought about unpleasant things that might happen. And he was worried and asked his father, what should we eat then, Papa? What should we eat for being healthy? He asked his father. So his father replied, you need a balanced diet. So balanced diet means a diet with portions of different foods. It keeps us healthy. So portion means one part of something larger. So one portion from your carbohydrates, or one portion from vitamins, one portion from proteins. Like this, if we eat food with different nutrients, we will be healthy. Okay, quantity means an amount or a number of something. Excess means already I have discussed with you, more than necessary. Okay, balanced, it means equal amount of different things. Okay. Asked once again, what can we have in a balanced diet? So, well, milk, cheese, eggs and meat are good for you, said Mrs. Sharma. They are rich in proteins and some vitamins, but you must balance them with carbohydrates and vitamin-rich diet. You get these if you eat rice, chapati and plenty of vegetables and fresh fruits. Proteins build your body, carbohydrates give you energy, vitamins protect your body from diseases. You must also drink plenty of water because it helps to carry the digested food around in the body, added Mr. Sharma. See, the youngest of the three children, Sarthak, he asked once again his father, what he asked, what can we have in a diet? So in the diet, we can have milk, cheese and meat. They are rich in proteins and some vitamins, but we must balance with them carbohydrates and vitamin rich diet. So if we eat rice, chapati and a lot of vegetables and fresh fruits. So as we discussed earlier, proteins build our body, carbohydrates give us energy, vitamins protect our body from diseases, and we must also drink plenty of water. So plenty means a lot of. So we must drink a plenty of water because it helps to carry the digested food around in the body. Okay. So portions. I told you, one part of something larger. So one part from vitamins, one part from proteins, and one part from fat, and one part from minerals, and other part from carbohydrates. Okay, so this is called balanced diet. So what is balanced diet? A diet that contains the proper portions of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, okay, minerals, and water necessary to maintain the good health. So if we maintain the balanced diet, we will be healthy. Have you understood, my dear children? Okay, then does it mean that we are not going to have any lunch today? Asked Kush gloomily. Of course, we are going to have lunch, said Mr. and Mrs. Sharma, laughing. We are going to have lunch with lots of vegetables and fruits instead of soft drink. We shall have fresh fruit juice today, said Mrs. Sharma. Raghav, Kush, and Sarthak smiled happily as they entered a restaurant. So, students, Kush was feeling hungry and asked gloomily that we are not going to have any lunch today. Gloomily means sadly and without hope. So, Kush was feeling hungry and asked sadly. What he asked? That we are not going to have any lunch today. So, Mr. and Mrs. Sharma laughing and said, we are going to have lunch with lots of vegetables and fruits instead of soft drinks and junk food. So, these three children, Raghav, Kush, and Sarthak, smiled happily as they entering into the restaurant. So, dear children, today we have learnt what is junk food and healthy food. Why should we not eat junk food? How roughage and balanced diet help us to keep our body healthy and fit. I hope you have understood this lesson without any doubts. If you have any doubts regarding in this lesson, you may contact me personally, and soon the homework of this lesson will be sent. Do it neatly and post to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.